Welcome to the Golden State. From the bustling city life of San Francisco to the endless coastline of Malibu, California is a destination like no other. Join us as we explore 5 of the state's diverse landscapes, rich culture, and unique attractions. Get ready to discover why California is the ultimate travel destination. The Golden Gate Bridge is a suspension bridge spanning the Golden Gate Strait, the 1-mile-wide, 3-mile-long channel between San Francisco Bay and the Pacific Ocean. It connects the city of San Francisco to Marin County, California. The bridge was completed in 1937 and has since become one of the most recognizable landmarks in the United States. The construction of the Golden Gate Bridge was a massive undertaking, taking more than 4 years to complete and costing over $35 million. The bridge was designed by Joseph Strauss, Irving Morrow, and Charles Ellis and is considered an engineering marvel of its time. Despite initial doubts about its safety and concerns about the challenging environmental conditions in the area, the bridge has proven to be a durable and reliable structure, withstanding strong winds, heavy fog, and even earthquakes. The most distinctive feature of the Golden Gate Bridge is its bright orange color, which was chosen to make the bridge visible in the thick fog that frequently engulfs the area. The bridge's distinctive color, combined with its towering height and graceful suspension cables, make it an awe-inspiring sight for visitors and locals alike. Visitors to the Golden Gate Bridge can enjoy stunning views of the city, the bay, and the surrounding mountains by walking or biking along the bridge's pedestrian walkways. Guided tours of the bridge and its history are also available, and a number of lookout points along the surrounding hills provide incredible photo opportunities. The Golden Gate Bridge is not just a beautiful and iconic landmark, it also serves a critical transportation function, carrying over 40 million vehicles per year. The bridge has undergone several major renovations and upgrades over the years, ensuring its safety and longevity for generations to come. The Golden Gate Bridge is a symbol of American ingenuity and a testament to the power of human achievement. Whether you're a local resident or a visiting tourist, a visit to this iconic bridge is a must-do experience that you'll never forget. The Griffith Observatory is a world-famous public observatory located in the Griffith Park area of Los Angeles, California. It was opened to the public in 1935 and has since become one of the city's most popular tourist attractions. The observatory is dedicated to promoting public understanding and appreciation of astronomy and science, and it offers a wide range of educational and entertaining exhibits, programs, and events to visitors of all ages. Visitors can also explore the many interactive exhibits on the main floor, which cover topics ranging from the solar system to the latest space missions and discoveries. The observatory also features a planetarium that presents live shows on a daily basis, allowing visitors to experience the stars and constellations up close. In addition to its educational and entertainment offerings, the Griffith Observatory is also a stunning architectural masterpiece. The building's design is inspired by the Art Deco style of the 1930s, and it features a mix of geometric shapes, curved lines, and sleek metalwork. The observatory is set on the southern slope of Mount Hollywood, offering visitors panoramic views of the city, the stars, and the surrounding mountains. The Griffith Observatory is more than just a place to learn about astronomy and science. It's a cultural icon that has inspired generations of Los Angeles residents and visitors. The Griffith Observatory is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in astronomy, science, and the wonders of the night sky. Whether you're a lifelong astronomer or simply looking for an engaging and educational outing, the Griffith Observatory is the perfect place to explore the wonders of the universe and beyond. Napa Valley is a picturesque region located in Northern California that is renowned for its stunning landscapes, world-class wineries, and exceptional wine. The valley stretches for approximately 30 miles and is home to over 400 wineries, many of which offer tastings and tours to visitors. Whether you're a wine aficionado or simply looking for a relaxing getaway, Napa Valley is a must-visit destination. One of the defining features of Napa Valley is its rolling hills and lush vineyards, which provide a breathtaking backdrop for the many wineries and tasting rooms located in the area. Visitors can choose from a wide range of tours and tastings, from large commercial wineries to small, family-run vineyards. Some of the most famous wineries in Napa Valley include Robert Mondavi, Napa Cellars, and Beringer, but there are many other hidden gems to be discovered as well. In addition to its wine offerings, Napa Valley is also known for its farm-to-table cuisine and gourmet restaurants. Many of the region's top chefs source their ingredients from local farms and vineyards, creating unique and delicious dishes that are influenced by the local terroir. Whether you're looking for a casual lunch or a fine dining experience, Napa Valley has something to offer every palate. For those looking to explore beyond the wineries and restaurants, Napa Valley also offers a wide range of outdoor activities, including hiking, cycling, and hot air balloon rides. The valley is surrounded by rolling hills and scenic countryside, providing plenty of opportunities for outdoor recreation and adventure. Napa Valley is a true paradise for wine lovers, foodies, and nature enthusiasts. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway, a fun family vacation, or a solo adventure, this stunning region has something to offer everyone. So why not plan a trip to Napa Valley today and discover the beauty, flavor, and richness of this world-renowned wine destination? Alcatraz Island is a small, rocky island located in the middle of San Francisco Bay that was once home to one of the most notorious federal prisons in American history. The prison, which was in operation from 1934 to 1963, was considered to be one of the most secure facilities in the country and was home to some of America's most dangerous criminals, including Al Capone, George, Machine Gun, Kelly, and Robert, Birdman, Stroud. Today, Alcatraz Island is a popular tourist destination and a symbol of American justice and security. The history of Alcatraz Island as a prison dates back to the late 19th century, when the island was first used as a military fortification. However, it wasn't until the early 20th century that the island was transformed into a federal penitentiary. The prison was designed to hold the most dangerous and violent criminals in the country, and it quickly gained a reputation as being one of the toughest and most secure facilities in the world. Visitors to Alcatraz Island today can explore the prison, which has been preserved and restored to its original condition. They can walk the same halls as the notorious criminals who were once housed there, visit the cells, and learn about the history of the prison and its inmates. The island also features a museum that showcases the prison's history, including exhibits on the famous escape attempts and the lives of the prisoners who were housed there. Alcatraz Island is a fascinating and historic landmark that offers a unique glimpse into the history of American justice and security. Whether you're interested in the prison's notorious inmates, its daring escape attempts, or its rich history, a visit to Alcatraz Island is an experience you won't soon forget. So why not book a tour today and discover the captivating story of this infamous federal penitentiary for yourself? The Santa Monica Pier is a historic landmark located in Santa Monica, California that is known for its iconic Ferris wheel, amusement park, and panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean. The pier, which has been a popular destination for tourists and locals alike for over 100 years, offers a unique blend of entertainment, history, and natural beauty. The Santa Monica Pier was first built in 1909 as a recreational pier for the local community. Over the years, it has undergone numerous renovations and expansions, and today it is home to a variety of attractions, including an amusement park, an aquarium, and a historic carousel. The Ferris wheel, which was installed in 1996, offers breathtaking views of the coastline and is a popular spot for tourists and locals alike. In addition to its entertainment offerings, the Santa Monica Pier is also a popular destination for fishing, with several fishing spots located along the pier. Visitors can rent fishing gear or bring their own and try their hand at catching a variety of local species, including halibut, sandbass, and mackerel. For those looking to experience the natural beauty of the area, the Santa Monica Pier is also a great place to relax and enjoy the sights and sounds of the ocean. The pier provides access to a wide stretch of sandy beach, and visitors can take a walk along the shore, soak up the sun, or simply enjoy the view of the waves rolling in. The Santa Monica Pier is a unique and historic landmark that offers a wide range of entertainment and recreation options for visitors of all ages. Whether you're looking for a fun day out with the family, a romantic evening stroll, or a chance to catch a fish, the Santa Monica Pier has something to offer everyone. So why not plan a visit today and experience the charm and beauty of this iconic California landmark for yourself? California is a diverse and beautiful state that offers a wealth of travel destinations for visitors of all ages and interests. From the iconic Golden Gate Bridge and Alcatraz Island, to the scenic Napa Valley and the charming Santa Monica Pier, there is truly something for everyone in California. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or a chance to experience the rich history and culture of the state, you'll find it all in California. So why not start planning your next trip today and discover the many amazing travel spots that this incredible state has to offer?